साउथ अफ्रीका के मशहूर पूर्व क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी जॉन्टी रोड्स आज वडोदरा शहर के मेहमान बने और यहां उन्होंने हेल्थ और फिटनेस को प्रमोट किया।
जिस तरह की दौड़ती भागती जिंदगी हम सब जी रहे हैं, हेल्थ और वेलनेस सभी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है। और हेल्थ और वेलनेस के साथ साथ मेंटल हेल्थ भी अब बहुत बड़ा इशू हो गया है। और ऐसे में साउथ अफ्रीका के मशहूर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्लेयर रहे जॉन्टी रोड्स आज वडोदरा शहर के मेहमान बने हैं। और हेल्थ और वेलनेस हम सब के लिए कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये वडोदरा शहर के लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं। पकोना इंजीनियरिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी में खास एक विजिट उन्होंने हेल्थ और वेलनेस को प्रमोट करने के लिए की है।
साउथ अफ्रीका के पूर्व खिलाड़ी और बेहतरीन फील्डर रहे जॉन्टी रॉड्स अब आईपीएल में लखनऊ टीम के फील्डर कोच है। उन्होंने अपनी पत्नी के साथ हेल्थ और वेलनेस को वडोदरा में प्रमोट करते हुए खास प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन किया है, जिसकी जानकारी देने हेतु जॉन्टी रॉड्स वडोदरा के मकरपुरा जीआईडीसी में स्थित पकोना इंजीनियरिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी में आए और यहां उन्होंने सभी को मानसिक और शारीरिक रूप से स्वस्थ रहने का संदेश दिया।
Pacona Engineering today is life by Jonty, and amazingly, my wife and I, Melanie, we have a part of a company that was found in Sweden. We lived in Sweden for 2 years, but we've lived in India for the last 10 years. So in and out of India, and India is obviously very close to our heart. We have 2 babies that were born here, 2 children. Our daughter is named India. So I am a speaker at corporate level, and people ask me to come into companies to improve or motivate people to work harder. And the big concern for me was you can work harder, but it's not sustainable if you're not in a strong health position. And health in India and around the world often is seen as physical health. It's what do you look like. So if you're a fit person, oh, you must be this shape. So you got big biceps if you're a man and a six-pack like Bollywood. And that is not health for us. As a family, health is more about overall wellness. And the visit today is to kick off a pilot project. We have 100 of the employees out of the 500, where we've put 5 different teams together with team leaders, with captains and vice captains, because I'm a cricket player, so everything must be about a team, because then it's easy to relate to. But what we're bringing is challenges every day that are small changes, lifestyle changes. And for some people it's going to be very easy to do the challenge because they're doing it already. But for other people within the organization, it might be difficult. But the reason why we brought it as a team is that you can get the motivation. If I don't do the challenge today, I'm not just letting myself down, I'm also letting my team down. Or I have team members who can check up on me. You see, you haven't done your challenge today. Can you just give us 5 minutes? So it's so important because we believe as a family, and this is what most companies want to generate. They want to generate a workforce where people look after each other. And that needs to come from management down, without it being an instruction from management. Because the most successful cricket teams that I've been and played in, without even winning a World Cup, being ranked number 1, was from having a captain who empowered the players to make their own choices, and empowered the players to give feedback, and empowered the players to say, this is what will make me a better person or a better cricketer, and not just being told what to do and how to do it. So we're really grateful for this opportunity because we want to show that by changing small things every single day, that by the end of not just 1 week, or 2 weeks, or 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, that then it becomes a part of your daily life. That makes you feel, not look, but makes you feel better at the end of the day. And that is so important, is that it's the awareness of how this made you feel and allowed you to accomplish the task at work, spend time with your family afterwards, without being, at the end of 1 month saying, this is not for me because I haven't lost weight, I haven't got bigger biceps. What is this doing for me physically or on the outside? It is how is it making me feel emotionally and on the inside. So it's an incorporation of, 1, it's got to be fun, but 2, it's got to make you feel there are benefits. So it's definitely not a diet, it's not a training regime. It's a lifestyle or a wellness program that's going to impact all aspects of your health and of your wellness. Because I've been a part of an IPL team through the pandemic, where we were in a biosecure bubble, and we realized that the mental health of cricket players is really struggling, because suddenly they didn't have the support of their families. They only had the team, because you're only allowed to interact with people in the team. So mental health issues and mental wellness in India, as across the world, is something that management is talking about and wanting to address. But that mental health can only be approached through a stronger relationship amongst the workforce, because without that, people will hold back, and out of respect or out of not wanting to show weakness in an environment. So we're looking to develop relationships within companies, because that in the end, in the long term, at the end of 6 months, at the end of the year, that's where companies will see the benefit on the bottom line, is that you have a productive and a healthy workforce who are working for each other as opposed to just for themselves, or the company says, I have to do this, that's what I want to do. So that's our mission today, is to kick this off and to obviously excite people and just reinforce the fact that we are in this as a part of their team. So we're not telling them what to do. We're here to make sure that as a team, we're going to take this and make it stronger. So,
साउथ अफ्रीकन खिलाड़ी जॉन्टी रॉड्स, जिन्होंने देश विदेश के क्रिकेटर्स को फिटनेस क्या होती है, डाइव क्या होती है, वो सिखाया, वो आज वडोदरा के पकोना एंड कंपनी के मेहमान बने हैं। और ख़ास किस लिए आए हैं सर? आज जॉन्टी रॉड्स आपकी कंपनी के मेहमान बने हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
खास तो इसीलिए आया है कि वो क्रिकेट तो है ही है, फिटनेस बॉडी की भी है, वैसे मेंटल हेल्थ की भी वो बात करता है। फिजिकली भी आप फिट होने चाहिए, मेंटली भी फिट होने चाहिए। और सबसे बड़ी बात जो उन्होंने की है आज, जो मैंने सुना, वो किसी के साथ कंपटीशन की बात नहीं करता है। वो अपने आप का साथ कंपटीशन करके अपना बेस्ट वर्जन बनाना चाहते हैं। आज मेरा जो वर्जन है उसको कल मैं कैसे बेटर बनाऊं, उसके ऊपर कल बात करने की जो कही है उन्होंने, वो सबसे बेस्ट उन्होंने बात आज कही है हमको। और आज यहाँ पर आए हैं तो हमारी जो पूरी फैक्ट्री सबको हमने बुलाया है, उन्होंने हम सबको एड्रेस किया और सबको समझाया कि आप फिजिकली फिट रहिए और मेंटली भी फिट रहिए। और मेंटली और फिजिकली फिट रहने के लिए हमारे यहाँ पर उन्होंने जो टीम बनाई है, उनके साथ वो कंपटीशन करवाएंगे और कंपटीशन से ही लोग आगे बढ़ के कुछ आगे और अच्छी तरह से अपना बेहतर वर्जन बनाएंगे और बेहतर वर्जन बनाने के बाद ठीक से सब काम कर पाएंगे।